let us see the chapter geometry and patterns. First we see the topic point. A point shows an exact location. A point shows an exact location. It has no dimensions. It has no dimensions. This means that a point has no length, no breadth, no height. It is represented by a dot. It is represented by a dot and named with a capital letter. See children, this is point or dot. We denote the name A, point A. This is point C. Is it clear children? See the next topic, line. An unlimited number of points joined together from a line. An unlimited number of points joined together from a line. AB is a line. It is written as AB. Read as line AB. It goes on indefinitely in both directions. The arrows on both sides show that the line is never ending. Never ending. A line has no fixed length and cannot be measured. It also has no thickness. No thickness. This is the line. An unlimited number of points joined together from a line. AB is a line. It is written as AB. Read as line AB. This is line AB. It goes on indefinitely in both directions. Is it clear children? See the next topic. Types of lines. First one, straight line. A line formed by joining points in the same direction is a straight line. First one, curved. I say again children, types of lines. First one, straight line. A line formed by joining points in the same direction is a straight line. These two lines are straight lines. Second one, curved line. A line formed by joining points that may be in any direction is called a curved line. I say again children, a line formed by joining points that may be in any direction is called a curved line. These are curved lines. Okay children. Kinds of straight lines. A straight line may be vertical, horizontal or slanting. This is vertical line. This is vertical line. This is horizontal line. This is horizontal line. Okay children. Kinds of straight line. Vertical line, horizontal line. This is horizontal line. These are slanting line. Slanting lines. Okay children. This is, I say again, this is vertical line. This is horizontal line. These are slanting line. The lines are slanting any direction. This direction or this direction. The line is slanting any direction. This is slanting lines. Is it clear children? See the next one. Intersecting lines. Two or more lines that meet at a point are called intersecting lines. Two or more lines that meet at a point are called intersecting lines. Two or more lines that meet a point are called intersecting lines. This is intersecting line. AB and CD are intersecting lines. They intersected at point P. They intersect at point P. This is intersect point. It is called the point of intersection. This line, see children, say one example. So many lines. Three or four lines. Any okay children, two or more lines that meet a point, are called intersecting lines. Is it clear children? Next, parallel lines. Two lines that run at equal distance from each other and never meet are called parallel lines. I say again children, two lines that run at equal distance from each other and never meet are called parallel lines. A, B, C, D are parallel lines. Two lines that run at equal distance from each other. Never meet are called parallel lines. Is it clear children? For example, railway track. Okay children. Lines. Next, line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. CD is a line segment. It is written as CD. It has two endpoints. It has a definite length that can be measured. Line segment. This is line segment. CD. A line segment is a part of line. CD is a line segment. It is written as CD. It has two endpoints. It has a definite length that can be measured. Is it clear children? Next, ray. A ray is also a part of a line. PQ is a ray. It is written as PQ. It has a starting point, that is initial point, that is starting point or initial point, and goes on indefinitely in one direction. It has no fixed length and thus cannot be measured. Is it clear children? Match the following. See the exercise sums. First Roman, match the following. What is this? Yes, intersecting lines. This is intersecting lines. Second one, which line? Yes, horizontal line. Next one, slanting line. Fourth one, curved line. Fifth one, parallel lines. Sixth one, vertical line. Is it clear children? First one, intersecting lines. Second one, horizontal line. Third one, slanting line. Fourth one, curved line. Fifth one, parallel lines. Sixth one, vertical line. Is it clear children? See the next Roman. Write point, line, ray or line segment in each. Also write how they are written. First one already done. This is ray or S. Second one, point. That is R, point R. Third one, line segment. Line segment. This is written as BC. Okay, children. Next one, this also line segment. This is line segment DE. Fourth one, line EF. Sixth one, point M. See clear, children? Next, the next exercise, children. Measure the following line segments and write their lengths. Use the scale and measure the line segments. You measure the length using the scale. You start with 0. When the point is finished, yes, 6. So the length of line segment, first one 6 centimeter. Second one, the end point finished at 8. So 8 centimeter. Third one, all sums you start with 0 line. Okay, children, the end point finished at 4 centimeter. Next, the end point finished at 7. So 7 centimeter. Fourth one line segment length is 7 centimeter. Is it clear, children? See the next Roman, children. Measure the sides of these figures and write their lengths. Say the name of the shape. Yes, it is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. The opposite sides are equal length. First, we measure BC. 6 centimeter. The end point finishes at 6. So you write 6 centimeter. The opposite sides are equal length. So AD also 6 centimeter. Next, you measure AB. 0 to the end point is finished at 3. So you write 3 centimeter. The opposite sides are equal length. So you write CD also 3 centimeter. Write here AB equal to 6 centimeter. Sorry, AB equal to 3 centimeter. AB equal to 3 centimeter. BC equal to 6 centimeter. CD 3 centimeter. AD 6 centimeter. Is it clear, children? See the next sum. Say the name of this shape. Yes, this is square. SQUARE. The 4 sides are equal length. Okay. First you measure PO. You start with 0 line. The end point finish at 3. So PO is 3 centimeter. In a square, all sides are equal length. So you write 3 centimeter in all sides. Okay. MN 3 centimeter. NO 3 centimeter. OP 3 centimeter. MP 3 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Okay. See the next figure. Say the name of this figure. Yes, it is a triangle. 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 You measure the length of this triangle. 0 to 4. The end point is finished at 4. ST equal to 4 centimeter. Next, RT. RT 5 centimeter. Next, RS 3 centimeter. Now you write here RS 3 centimeter, ST 4 centimeter, RT 5 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Next Roman, draw line segments of the given length. First one, AB equal to 6 centimeter. I draw here, children. You start with 0. Listen, children, you start with 0 to 6. Listen, you start with 0. The finishing point is you stop with 6. You put dot in both sides. You put dot both sides. Measure the name A, B. How much length? 6 centimeter. Okay, children. Next, 7 MN equal to 7 centimeter. I measure here 0 to 7. Okay, children. The name is MN. How much centimeter? 7 centimeter. Okay, children. Next, plane geometrical figures. Plane figures can be drawn on a flat surface like paper. They have only one face. First one, rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. See this picture? 4 sides, AB, BC, CD and AD. These are 4 sides. 4 corners, A, B, C, D. 4 corners. Each corner is called a vertex. Each corner is called a vertex. Important. The opposite sides are equal length. The opposite sides are equal length. AB and DC equal length. BC and AD equal length. Okay, children. See the next one. Square. A square has 4 sides. See this picture? Square picture. PQ, QR, RS, SP. These are 4 sides of a given square. It has 4 corners. P, Q, R, S. All sides are of equal length. PQ equal to QR equal to RS equal to SP. Is it clear, children? Next one, quadrilateral. Plane figures made up of 4 line segments. It is called a quadrilateral. The sides may be of the same or different lengths. The sides may be of the same or different lengths. Rectangle and squares are also quadrilaterals. Rectangles and squares also quadrilaterals. Next one, triangle. Triangle has 3 sides, AB, BC, CA. It has 3 corners, A, B, C. The sides of a triangle may or may not be equal length. Next one, circle. Trace along a 1 rupee coin or a carom coin, you will get a circle. A circle has no sides and no corners. Is it clear, children? Next, draw the shapes and fill in the table. Shape, triangle. Number of sides, 3. Number of corners, 3. Next, square. 4 sides are equal length. Number of sides, 4. Number of corners, 4. Rectangle. Opposite sides are equal length. Number of sides 4, number of corners 4. Circle. Number of sides, no sides, no corners. Is it clear, children? Next, look at this object and write their shapes. What is this shape? Yes, circle. C-A-R-C-L-E, circle. Next one, triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Third one, rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Fourth one, square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Next, solid shapes. You have read about some solid shapes in your previous class. Here is a recall. Okay, children. Solid shape. Cube. 6 face, 12 edges, 8 corners. Next one, cuboid. 6 face, 12 edge, 8 corners. Sphere. No face, no edge, no corner. Cone. 1 face, 1 curved line, 1 curved line, edge, 1 corner. I say again, children, in a sphere, plane shape and curved face. Plane face is no plane face in sphere. Curved face in one curved face. Edges, no edges, no corner in a sphere. Next, cone. Plane face 1, curved face 1, curved edge 1, corner 1. In a cylinder, 2 plane face, 1 curved face, 2 curved edge, no corners. Is it clear, children? Next, patterns. A repeated design or order found in a thing is called pattern. Patterns are all around us. They follow some rules. Observe the pattern. Repetition. Triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. Second one, increase in number. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, 5 dot, 6 dot, next 7 dot, etc. Increase in size. Small square, just big square, again just big square, big square, big square. Next, change in direction. The dot is in this corner, next corner. The dot is moving the corners. Okay, children. Next, combination of patterns. First one slanting line, next joining 2 slanting lines, next triangle. Slanting line, joining 2 slanting lines, triangle. Okay, children. Number patterns 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Next 14. Okay, fill the next exercise. What will come next? Draw or write? Smiley, sad. Next, smiley, normal face. Next, flower, one petal is left, two petals are left, three petals are left. Next, only one petal only have. Sit there, children.